We quickly went over creating a macro in the official client, but there's also a built-in CMD scripting feature available too. In this video, we'll get you started with the basics, and in a couple days, we'll show you some extra commands to build your own scripts. From inside the game, just click Options, then Scripts. The default character to start a script is a period, but you can change that if you want inside the Run Prefix box. There's a few different ways to make or import scripts. The first way is to hit the Create button, give your script a name, and we'll call this one Test. Add a brief comment describing what this is. In the body of the script, you'll use the command put followed by a game command you want the script to enter. Let's keep it simple and type put dance. Click OK, then OK. Now run the script with .test. The script will send the game commands you typed ahead of time. There was only one, so we danced. You'll notice the game tells you the escape key will cancel a script that's running, and you can use Shift plus the escape key to pause or unpause a script. There was only one command in this script, so we didn't really have time to escape or pause. Let's edit the script we just made by going back to the Options, Scripts menu, find our test script, and double-click on it. This time we're going to use a wildcard command. Erase what's there and type put nod $1. Hit OK, then OK. Now go stand next to a trash barrel and type .test barrel. The first word you type after your script name will be used wherever you put the $1. This can be helpful if you want to group up with other players in the room really quickly. Go back and edit your script. Delete what's there and type these 3 lines as shown. Now find 3 willing volunteers and do .test along with their names. The script will hold the names you specify if their group was open. There is a button called Variables you can use, but I never have. The way this works is to type a variable name and whatever value you want that variable to represent. When you use $variable in a script, it will replace it with the value. In this case, our variable is taco, and the value we want to replace it with is cat. Edit your script and enter put $taco. Now when you do .test, it will enter the command cat because that was the value of the taco variable. Another way to create a script is to record it as you play. This is an interesting approach. It was most useful in the original days when you needed to map out a walking script to get you between the landing and ice mule. The creation process is similar to typing it by hand. You just go to create a script and give it a name along with a comment describing what it does. Once that's done, just click the red record button and hit OK. The recording process will capture every command you type. You can use the pause button to stop recording. That same button will resume. When you're finished mapping out your script, hit the stop button for done. Be careful when making a script via recording. If you enter the wrong direction or command, you'll need to manually edit your script and find where that mistake was to remove it. It can be a painful process to go through, especially if you're trying to find a hiccup in a 100 command series. For this script example, we are going to walk from the north gate to the town square. After we get there, hit stop to save the script. Now go back and edit your script. It shows a new command called move with the corresponding direction, south, west, south, south, and southeast. Now if you go back to the north gate and type .zoom, it will walk you to the town square. The third way to get scripts into your game client is to import one that's already been made for you. Here's a quick example of making one inside Notepad. Type put $hello on the first line, then type put smile on the second line. Click File, Save As. Locate where you want to save the file. Click Save As Type, change text documents to all files. In the file name area, type the name you want your script to be and add .cmd as the extension. If you don't complete these file association steps correctly, you might have trouble importing your script. This script will be called greeting.cmd. Now that your file is saved, go to Options, Scripts, Import. Click Wizard and hit OK. Find your saved file, greeting.cmd in this case, and click Open. you'll get an import finished message. Go back into your scripts area. It doesn't have a comment, and you don't really need one, it just helps you stay organized. Let's edit it real fast and add a quick comment, saying hi. Now type .greeting in game, and that'll be a good place to wrap up this video. Check back in a couple days where we'll explore some more commands and uses for CMD scripting.